How to add song in Instagram story. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can add songs on Instagram story, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now adding songs on Instagram story is actually quite a simple thing. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Instagram application here. Then just tap the your story button, and then let's say you'd like to upload a certain story over here. So I select a certain photo, and then if I want to add music or songs to it, all I have to do is tap on the music icon from the top right hand side of the screen, as you can see here. Once I tap on the little music like icon over there, I will be able to simply search for my desired music. I can browse through it, or I can also tap on the search music option to select a song. I can choose a style, which could be a lyrical version or a normal lyrical version, or this or a sticker version or a minimal sticker version, or without anything. And I can choose the duration of the music, such as up to 15 seconds, and I can also choose which verse of the music is being played from here. Then I can tap on done. Then I'll be able to add that song. This way I can add songs to my Instagram story. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching, and see you soon in the next video.